so your topic is pros and cons of news channels.
What can be the worst thing for a democracy when the media is getting biased by the government? It's getting influenced by the central power that affects the democracy of the country, as the opposition power somehow gets doesn't is able to put its point correctly if the media is controlled by central government. And channels and news nations are the voices of common people, and they should be the one to be the most unbiased. But okay, so we all
So,
agree that okay, there's a mixed response, there's not one definite answer to it. There's one thing is very much clear, that we cannot change the news channels and their propaganda, but the only thing that we can do is change our way of thinking. Instead of
exactly, our
using
mindset.
Yes,
analogy method is a method in which we just believe the facts thrown at us. Why not we start thinking of any cause or any problem from its roots? We see that the farmer bill is getting hatred, some people are supporting. Then instead of picking sides, let's say, what is this bill is about? Why not search about it? Why not see why the government did in the place? Why not hear both of the side without being biased of what our family believes in and what other people surrounding us are saying, and create our own opinion? After hearing that, you can might be wrong, because we are the teens after all, so we might have a problem in our opinion. Then hear people of the then hear opinion of the
Exactly.
people that you value, like the people that you think are right. We all have some kind of idols, and that we think that the YouTube, first create your own opinion, then see their videos, their opinions, read it, and then match it, that how it is different from them, and whether you should have some change in your idea, or you think no, you are right but they might be wrong. So we have to work on it, and it
Exactly.
requires to put ours in it.
Yeah, Arzu, you can go now.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Azu Sharma. I'm a class 12 student of PCM from Gwalior. So I aspire to have a career in management. PCM out of confusion, as I was not very sure about my stream. But right now I have a more clarity as you get mature and have more understanding with your age. And I want to have a career in management. And my hobbies include music, writing, and reading stuff, lots of stuff, not any particular thing, but lots of random articles on anything. It could be any topic related to current affairs, or rather a life hack, anything, but I like to read in my free time.
So, Arzu, you were saying you read a lot of blogs. Do you really read blogs or just articles?
So I read a lot of stuff on Quora,
Okay.
and anything that fascinates me, let's say in an answer they mention some particular topic or news, then I would research it further and read more in detail. Otherwise, if I think it is enough, then I would just scroll past it.
Any specific genre you follow, or you which really which makes you very curious?
Human psychology, always.
Psychology. Okay. Okay. So, fine. So, tell me, what is the last article you read about? What was the last article you read?
So I read a last article on butterfly effect. It's related to human psychology.
Okay. So, Arzu, what is your end goal? You were saying something about management. So, what exactly in management do you want to do?
So, first of all, in management, either by entrepreneurship or a job, I'm fine with both. I want to create a human asset, a very good human asset out of myself that will benefit not only myself but the people around me, and will be able to create an impact on the surrounding, on my country. Doesn't matter how big or small it is, but the end goal would be to make create a better version of myself that so that I can give back to the society.
So, tell me, have you been doing any volunteering work? As I could understand, you're very enthusiastic about giving back something to the society. Anything you have done regarding volunteering, or any sort of help to the society?
So what I think is there are lots of organizations doing lots of stuff, but as
Mhm.
of right now, I'm doing it on a very small level. What I do is basically create awareness. So because I think lots of people get into the wrong stream, like I choose PCM out of confusion. So I think these are the topics that are not really widely discussed. Everyone is discussing global warming and education, poverty, and I will do so after I get at a certain point. But right now, I'm awareing people around, telling people to think in a right way, in a positive way, not just get everything don't create prejudices based on religions and stuff, because our generation will be the deciding factor what India will look like after 30 or 40 years. So I try to tell them to not get into that stuff and think logically. So I give to the society in creating a better youth for the future. My focus is on the youth and the I have a future in mind, at least 10 or 20 years when I think of it, and I plan to join various work in college life, in my college life, because of pandemic I'm not really able to do anything as of right now.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, sir. When I see people really pursuing what they like, it gives me a confident boost as well.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
एंड अपने एक्सपीरियंस एंड अगर आपने भी इंटरव्यू दिया है तो प्लीज़ चैट में अपना कमेंट में अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कीजिए। थैंक यू एवरीवन।